Bateleur Eagle is known for its striking look, with a bright red face, legs, and a short tail. Its name, Bateleur, means tightrope walker in French, due to its rocking flight style. This eagle is an expert flyer. It spends up to 8 hours a day soaring in the sky, covering more than 300 miles while searching for food. Bateleur eagles are opportunistic hunters. Eat small mammals, birds, reptiles, and carrion. They often steal food from other birds too. These eagles mate for life. A pair will often be seen flying together and nesting in the same area year after year. Although once common, their numbers are declining due to habitat destruction, poisoning, and hunting. They are now listed as near threatened by the IUCN. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.